Peter, I wanted to stay away from your friends. Huh? I don't trust them. I don't trust you or them anymore. So just try to stay away from them, please. I'm begging you. Otherwise, this relationship is gonna end.
But why the fuck don't you trust my friends? Right? It's always my friends, my friends, my friends is always being in the wrong with you. Why? Why must I trust you with your friends? How is it gonna work when there's no trust?
I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm not gonna argue with you. I don't feel like arguing with you. I'm just gonna show you why the fuck don't I trust your friends. Let me phone one of that motherfuckers quickly. Hello? Is Peter there by you?
Yes, Peter is here by me. Just went to the toilet quickly, but I'll tell him he called.
Hmm. Okay, okay, no problem. I'll see you. Okay, bye.
Yeah, baby, what do you want me to say? Why are you looking at me like that now?
Point fucking proven. So stay away from that motherfuckers.